March 2024 has been set aside for the Donald Trump hush money trial. A New York judge has decided that Donald Trump will go on trial in March 2024, when the Republican candidate's campaign would be in full force. At a hearing on Tuesday about the alleged concealing of a payment to a porn star, the former U.S. president was informed of the development. 34 criminal counts of falsifying business records were brought against Mr. Trump. Last month, he entered a not guilty plea to all charges. Following the hearing, Mr. Trump vented his annoyance with the trial's timing on his social media platform, Truth Social. It was very unfair and election interference that they forced upon us a trial date of March 25th, right in the middle of the primary season, Mr. Trump wrote. Just hours prior, Judge Juan Merchan had stated that Mr. Trump's capacity to campaign would not be restricted by any limitations on what he may do or say regarding the case. In the words of Judge Merchan, Mr. Trump is certainly free to deny the charges. He is free to defend himself against the charges. Mr. Trump has consistently criticized the situation, calling it a political witch hunt that aims to unseat the Republican Party's frontrunner. For Mr. Trump and the other potential Republican presidential contenders, March 2024 is expected to be a busy month. In every U.S. state and territory, conventions, primaries, and caucuses are held, starting in early states like Iowa in February and finishing in or around early June. Mr. Trump appeared in court for the second time during the most recent session. He was initially detained and charged with 34 felony charges of fraud in a 16-page indictment when he appeared in a New York courthouse in April. These allegations concern a $130,000, 105,000 pounds, payment made to Stormy Daniels, an adult film actress who claimed she was paid to remain silent after having sex with him. Even if giving out so-called hush money is legal, Mr. Trump is being prosecuted over the way his former attorney, who paid Ms. Daniels, had his reimbursement recorded in Mr. Trump's accounts. By claiming the payment was for legal bills, Mr. Trump is charged with first-degree falsifying his business records. The payments, according to the allegations, were made with the intention of hiding damaging information and illegal activity from American voters before and after the 2016 election. The case is only one of Mr. Trump's legal difficulties. A New York civil trial jury held Mr. Trump responsible for the sex assault and defamation of former Elle magazine journalist E. Jean Carroll earlier in May and ordered him to pay her roughly $5 million in damages. Following the jury's decision in that case, Mr. Trump made certain comments that Ms. Carroll is now attempting to use as justification for more damages.